Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you when you photograph like honey on different products, but you must do lifestyle stylization with the more props, with the food, maybe with the human element on the photo. I want to show you how to make that stylization, use the product and show the product the best on this photo. Let's go. If you don't know me, I am Monica from Fotoinshadows. I am food and product photographer, and on my YouTube channel you can find video about how to work with lights, with natural or artificial lights, how to styling your food, how to editing your food, how to work with camera, and more things about photography, food and product. But one thing what you can do, you can book with me online consultation on topic what you want about photography. Maybe you want to learn about a basic camera, you want to learn about styling the food, how to work with lights or different things. You book with me online consultation, is 1 hour. You choose the time and the topic what you want to learn about photography, and I find the best resolution for you, how to make speed your photography faster and understand. But all information you find in link below. But now back for the topic from today, what is how to do lifestyle photo with the product. Use the product from clients and make a lifestyle photo step by step and focus on few things like lights, props, background, and more things. But stay with me to the end. I show you how use that photo for your portfolio or your Instagram, but don't show you work with company, but was your personal project without using company, only you focus on food. Let's go. I set up everything how you see on the video before. I chose the background, props, everything, but I want to show you few things step by step, how I prepare for this shoot, how I set up my camera, which lights use, and more things. First things what I will be focused is the lights what I use. Of course, you see probably one lights I have artificial and natural here. I will photography with natural lights. I have bright still enough and can do this photo with natural lights. I prefer really natural lights to use in photography if I can. If not, if it's dark or of something different reason, I use artificial light. Today we will be work with natural lights. Another thing was the background what I chose. I know my clients want something bright, nice, warm colors on the photo, not dark mood, not for winter, autumn photography, but bright, what he can use all year, this photo for him, product for him, website, Instagram, and more things. That's I chose two different background. One is background from Club Backdrop, the company. Really recommend in UK this company for buy the background. Is vinyl background, a really good company, and have quickly delivery, amazing background for photography, easy to set up, work with this, clean and really good. The second background is from company Pix Backdrop. I use today, really recommend the company. Is in Poland. You can buy the vinyl background, different type. The same is easy to work with this background, clean, easy, nothing happen, and I recommend. Another things what I focus was the props what I chose for photography. I chose two plat because I do pancake, a homemade pancake. I want to show with honey, with something marmalade on the top, and I have here prepared the sugar powder. That was my idea for this shoot. Simple, not too much props, two plat bowls with marmalade, and that's it. Now I chose the cutlers for this. I will be only last things to do, put the sugar on the top and cutlers. That's it. The most important things here is your product, what you photography. Maybe it will be jam, maybe it will marmalade, something different. One problem with this, I have shining label. I will be work with this a little, but what I want show the honey in jar and little outside, show the texture, the product. Of course, remember when you work with product, your clients, the product must be first thing what you see on photo. This is your hero, not the pancake, not the jam, everything or something things what you do like salad, maybe you will be do different things. This is not what you should show on first page. Your hero is the honey, and these things you should see on photo when you shoot. Now I show you about my parameter to the camera. I use camera Canon. That is my camera what I use every day. 7D Mark II. Really recommend. I bought a few years ago. I'm satisfaction with this camera. I use the lens 50mm 1.8. That is the lens what I love. I bought this lens like first. My lens for this camera was exactly this lens, Canon 50mm 1.8. It's my favorite. It's not expensive and it's the best for beginner if you don't know what to buy. I set up my camera. I want a little open the lens, not I want to have little more things sharp on photo, not blur so much, but still blur the back. Set up the ISO 400. Of course, I can change for smaller or bigger. Another things what I set up is aperture. I chose 3.5. It's perfect for me when I photography product, food, something and want show nice. That's for me is perfect. The shutter speed, I cannot say straight away how big is shutter speed because I can change this, can be 125. If you have stronger lights, can be different. If you have not enough lights, can be 18, 16, 14. That is completely different. It's mean like how strong is the lights. Now everything looks little bright, but I use artificial light here, what I will be switch off when I do the photo. I use now because I want to record the video and you see me better. But before I will be shoot, I switch off the artificial lights and will be completely work with natural lights. That was my setup, my camera. Second things what I do, I use the remote control. When I work with that lens and I stay here, maybe I want to pour the honey or something, it's good to have remote control when you don't have help and you work yourself. Now, what I do, I put the only sugar on the top, put the kettlers, and I will be photography. That's it. Can little change because switch off the artificial lights and will be set up everything and set up my camera little because I must put more bright because it's too dark. But now I show you how you can use this photo or maybe this setup are ready for your portfolio and show your skills in photography and more things. First things, you can have a photo from where you work with company. You show you can photography stuff with company. You can set up everything. You can work with the food. You can styling. You can really work, and you can do another photo for company if contact with you. Another things, this photo you can use your portfolio to show you work with brand. You can use for Instagram. You can do reels. Or maybe you do behind the scene, how you work. This is another thing, what you catching eye for your potential clients. But one thing what you can do, you can remove the honey, don't show the honey, show only maybe food and the marmalade, put extra maybe glass of coffee or something in the bag and show without product the photo. You can do few different photos, you using different angle. From the top, flat lay, maybe 45 degrees, maybe 90, maybe straight. Using the human touching, like somebody touching the plant, or maybe you touching them, take the knife and fork and you cut this. It's amazing to use and you can use this for your portfolio, show your skills. Photographer, styling, work with props, extra. You can change the background. You don't must to do like bright photo. You can using different background, different color the props, and you can do from this one food, make it maybe 5-6 different type of photography. That is good for your portfolio. Show the skills, show how you work, and for your potential clients who maybe need only show product with the food, maybe need only show the food, or is company cooking and need you to cook the food and show step by step how you cook and do styling the food. That is what you can use in your portfolio and work with brand. But stay for the end, I show you the photo from this shoot.